Search for YouTube. For example, if your YouTube channel is a tech channel, simply search for Tech Channel YouTube Thumbnail, like this, and you'll find all thumbnails related to tech channels. If your YouTube channel is about food, search for YouTube Food. And if you do vlogging and your channel is about blogging or vlogging, then just search for blog, and you'll find templates accordingly. As you can see, there are lots of templates already designed by professionals. You can easily modify them, add your own images, text, or branding. Once you're done, simply export and upload it to your YouTube channel. So this looks good. Maybe I'll select this one. So just explore and pick whichever template feels right for you. Once you find one you like, just customize it. Now you can see I have full access to anything I want to modify. For example, I want to add text like this. I can add anything. And if I want to change the font, just go to the font section like this. If I want to make it all caps, there's an option for that. If I want to make it italic, just like this, you can simply make it italic. And you can make it bold as well. If you want to add your own image or replace an existing one, just go to the Upload section, navigate to Upload, and upload it from your computer. To replace an image, just drag and drop it. If you want to reposition it, double-click to move it and adjust the position. Similarly, with other images, if you want to replace them, just drag and drop them in. This way, you can replace any image with your own. After your design is finished and you're satisfied, review it to make sure there are no spelling or image mistakes. Once you're ready to export it for your YouTube channel, just go to Share, Download, and save it as a PNG. If you want it in another format, those are available as well. So just download it and upload your thumbnail to your video. It's really simple. In just a few minutes, you've created a great-looking, customized thumbnail for your YouTube video or channel.